Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious recipe. Chocolate chip cupcakes for Valentine's that I know you guys are really going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These delicious cupcakes, this is what you're going to need. We need 1 egg, vegetable oil. Remember, all the ingredients are going to be in the description box. Let me tell you, when you really want to enjoy a cupcake, this recipe makes 4 regular size cupcakes. But if you want to make only 2, they're going to be the jumbo kind. And there's no need to make a whole recipe of 12 when there's no kids at home anymore. And when you just want to enjoy a delicious jumbo size cupcake at home. This recipe makes 4 regular cupcakes or 2 jumbo size cupcakes. And here I am adding everything in a bowl, mixing very well. And let me tell you, this recipe really comes out delicious and amazing. Your cupcakes are going to be so fluffy, so delicious and moist. And who doesn't like chocolate chip cupcakes? Here I added a little bit of the chocolate chips into the mixture. And of course, now I have 2 ramekins. I am going to spray them, add half of the mixture to each one, and then we're going to tap them, making sure that everything is inside and they are leveled completely. Once this is done, remember to always preheat your oven, 350 Fahrenheit. They're going to go in the oven for 25 minutes. This size is just perfect for you to enjoy whenever you have a delicious sweet tooth and you want to enjoy a chocolate chip muffin. Well, this is the one. I have here half a cup of heavy whipping cream and I am going to mix away until it's nice and fluffy. If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And remember, one more time, with this mixture, you can make 4 regular cupcakes or 2 jumbo-sized cupcakes. Enjoy your Valentine's with this amazing and delicious chocolatey jumbo-sized cupcake. Of course, I'm going to add this mixture into a little baggie. If you don't have this kind of bag, you could use a Ziploc. And now I am ready to add the heavy whipping cream. Look at this. Nice and firm. That's exactly how you want it. And now we are going to put it in the fridge where you have your milk, and we're just going to let this mixture rest. I want to show you the ingredients I'm going to be using for the decoration. It's a very easy decoration for Valentine's. You could do the decoration however you want. Easy, and it's going to be so perfect. I have little roses. I have little sprinkles. And of course, the whipped cream. I am taking them out of the oven. They're still nice and hot. We're going to let them rest for a little bit. If the toothpick comes out clean, that means they are cooked completely. We're going to let them rest for about 10 minutes before we take them out of the mold. After the 10 minutes, look how easy they come out. We're going to transfer it to a plate and let them come to room temperature before we start adding the decoration on the top. So I am going to transfer them because the baking dish is still a little warm and I want them to come to room temperature before I do the decoration on the top. But look how beautiful and how fluffy they look. And now this is the decoration I am using. Very easy, very simple. If you have little ones at home, they could come in, invite them in the kitchen, have them help you. Add those sprinkles on the top. And look at this. This is going to be so delicious and amazing. I am really going to enjoy this chocolate chip cupcake. I know if you love chocolate like I love chocolate, you're going to fall in love with this recipe. Easy, delicious, fluffy, and moist. And now I am going to add the sprinkles, making sure that I cover every little edge with those sprinkles. And then right on the top, I'm going to add a rose, a red rose. Happy Valentine's and enjoy your beautiful family. And remember, if you have little ones, this recipe makes 4 regular size cupcakes. And these are 2 jumbo size cupcakes. And the rose right in the center. And look how beautiful they look. I am ready to taste. I am ready to slice and show you how they look from the inside. Look how fluffy this jumbo size cupcake is. And you could really see the chocolate chips throughout the cupcake. I am ready to taste. I'll see you in just a little bit. I love and enjoy tasting my amazing recipes. Excuse me. Mmm. 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 Amazing. Beautiful family, I am completely done with these 2 extra large cupcakes. But you could enjoy a delicious cupcake made at home with lots of love for Valentine's. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing and delicious